With 4 stunning members of the Surface family, I can totally understand that it might be a bit difficult figuring out which one to choose. The Surface family does have some core DNA that stretches across every device, like the Surface signature 3:2 aspect ratio, which gives you more vertical screen space. There's slightly scalloped keys that give you a comfortable and natural typing experience. All of these devices have stunning PixelSense touchscreen displays, and they're also all powered by Instant On, so you can seamlessly open your device, have it turn on, and sign in using Windows Hello. And while this list could go on, and they may seem a bit all same but different, I can assure you that each Surface device does have things that make it unique, and highlighting those may help you select which device will best suit you and meet your needs. I think when you're looking for a new device, you should ask yourself 3 main questions. What are things that I will be using it for every single day? What are things that I might occasionally use it for that kind of go above and beyond your standard everyday use? And then, where will you be using it the most? Are you just going to be taking your device from one desk to another? Or are you wanting to make the most out of your commute and get work done on the go? Let's start with the Surface Laptop Go 3, the lightest of the Surface laptops, weighing in at just under 1.13 kgs. This device is light, ultra portable, and has a range of stylish colours. It's great for things like your day-to-day productivity, like browsing the web, smashing through assignments or reports, taking it to work, school, or everywhere in between, and then even just kicking back at the end of a long day to relax and watch some of your favourite shows. Surface Laptop Go 3 is a great device for balancing work and life. It's available in Platinum, Sandstone, Sage, and Ice Blue, which is the colour that we have here. And you can pick the perfect colour to best suit you. You can also choose between an i5 8GB 256 model or an i5 16GB 256 model to best suit what you'll be doing in your day-to-day. If you're someone like me who always has lots of tabs and windows open at once and you just jump between, then the option with 16GB of RAM may benefit you. If your everyday packs a little more punch and you require something with a bit more processing power, or you just like a bigger screen, you may be more suited to the stunning Surface Laptop 5, which is available in a 13.5-inch or a 15-inch depending on your needs. The Surface Laptop 5 is available in Platinum, which has your choice of a cool metal or warm Alcantara fabric finish, Sage, which is what we have here, matte black or sandstone. And this device also goes right up to an i7 processor with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. If you're using some more advanced applications, regularly working in and collaborating on large documents, and love the traditional laptop form factor for working at a desk or on your couch, then the Surface Laptop 5 would be a great choice for you. Do you remember how I said it's important to think about where you'll be using your device? This is because of the Surface Pro 9, probably the most versatile out of the Surface family. You can use this device as a tablet, as a laptop, or then you can plug it in using an accessory like the Surface Thunderbolt 4 dock, and you've got yourself a desktop experience too. The Surface Pro 9 experience is only complete when you pair it with the Surface Signature keyboard, and I highly recommend also pairing it with the Surface Slim Pen 2. It even has its own little home in the keyboard where it also charges. I've been using Surface for the last decade throughout university and all of my career. I love having the ability to handwrite notes, mark up documents, or draw diagrams to try and express what's going on in my brain. In terms of specs, this device sits in a really similar spot to the Surface Laptop 5. But if you're wanting a device to travel with that is great for taking out and about, or if you're someone who's creative or just likes handwriting notes, then Surface Pro 9 would be my top recommendation for you. This device also comes in a range of colours like Platinum, Graphite, Sapphire, and Forest, with accessories to mix and match. And last, but certainly not least, the Surface Laptop Studio 2, the most powerful Surface device of them all. The Surface Laptop Studio 2 is a spec powerhouse, going all the way up to Intel i7 processors, 64GB of RAM, a 2TB SSD, and an NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU. It also can adapt to suit you, with a laptop mode for being productive, stage mode, which is great for gaming or streaming content, or then down into studio mode to create. I would also highly recommend adding the Surface Slim Pen 2 to this device as well. It can be magnetically stored under the lip of the keyboard, which keeps it charged for whenever creativity strikes. Surface devices are all powered by Windows 11, offering you the best of Microsoft. The craftsmanship and attention to detail on these devices is outstanding, and not only are they wonderful to look at, but they're just as wonderful to use. While all of these Surface devices have a lot in common, I hope this video has helped you to discover what makes each of them unique, and to hopefully help you consider what may best suit you and what you need to use it for. Make sure you let us know in the comments below which Surface device is your favourite and why. If you have any questions, we're always here to help. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you can keep up to date with all of the latest from Microsoft.